it's time for Quran. You've been riding the hoverboard for so long. Come on.
Okay, coming. I'll be right back. بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 6a on letters with standing fatha, standing kasra, and inverted dhamma. Standing fatha, which is also called kara zabr in Urdu, is an interesting vowel sign. This tiny line on ba is standing fatha. The effect is the same as the fatha letter followed by alif med. We can stretch the sound twice. Ba, ba. Standing fatha. Mim, you can see here the tiny line on it is standing fatha, and it is similar to fatha followed by alif med, right? We can stretch the sound twice. Me, me. And similarly, be, be, be. And wow, we, we. And fe, fe, fe. And so on. Let's practice reciting all of the letters with standing fatha and repeat after me twice. Be, be, be. De, de, de. Fe, fe, fe. And the next letters. Remember the fatty friends. Jim, ha, and ha. So let's start with Jim. J, J, J. Ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ho. And now the two pairs of twins. Del and Zel and Ra and Ze. De, de, de. De, de, de. Ra, ra, ra. Ze, ze, ze. And now the next one. The snake and the one who's taking shower. Seen and sheen. Se, se, se. She, she, she. And now the awesome letters, the fatty four. Sod, bod, ba, and va. So, 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 so. Bo, bo, bo. Bo, bo, bo. Va, va, va. And now the next two letters. Ain for Arabi. And its twin Ghain. A, a, a. Gha, gha, gha. And now fe and off. Fe, fe, fe. Qa, qa, qa. And now who's coming? KLMN. Ge, ge, ge. Le, le, le. Me, me, me. Ne, ne, ne. And now the last four letters. Well, he, hemze, and ye. The last letter, ye. So let's start with well. We, he, he. E, yeah, MashaAllah. Well done. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.